point, maybe call on our COO, Namesh Kilandi, and our executive team to please do the awarding. Join us here, please, so we can have group photo as well with our beautiful background. Did you see the photos? They're actual people from Dubai Duty Free. So we're going to announce the third, the second, and the grand winner. Are you ready? To receive 1,500 dirhams, our second placer for the World of Dance competition is with a score 7.5. Congratulations, CAT2 Team.
Mozambique, how are you? Guys, the program is finished.
Thank you very much. Yes. As always, the details for Mustafa, congratulations, our champion for World of Dance. Okay, for the team members, I'm going to control the crowd. Congratulations, Dr. Bernard Green. Thank you. Okay, our next team is DC and Irish Village. Group photo, please step forward. DC and Irish Village, please step forward. Congratulations, Irish Village. Thank you very much.
कैसा है भाई? कैसा है भाई? अच्छा है भाई? भाई, क्या ले? देखिए। Jumbo, say hello.
Hello, hi.
YouTube.
Jumbo.
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 Thank you.
Guys, this food is a sponsor of my company, guys. Dubai Duty Free. Thank you so much for the food. Dubai Duty Free. I love you so much. Number one. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat. Guys, team cricket. Irish Village. Irish Village, Pelicans. How are you? guys, warm up na ng volleyball guys yung mga teammate ko guys. Warm up na sila guys. Yan ang malakas guys. Yung tropa ko na yan, malakas yan. Varsity yan, varsity. Ayan guys, oh. Kumari ko yan guys. Nandiyan sa gitna. Warm up na sila. Ito, Team Irish. Team Irish. Joe. Basmate. Kaway-kaway dyan. YouTube to, YouTube.
Hello, welcome po sa Yorme 23 channel. Subscribe, click, subscribe, and
Follow.
follow.
Shoutout ka sa terminal mo. Batiin mo yung
Shout out Terminal 3 Concourse C.
number 1.
Team Sarabanan.
Team Sarabanan, number 1.
Oo,
Lenda, how are you? Hello. Bea. YouTube to, Bea. YouTube to.
hello mga ka-Yorme.
Thank you. Guys, start na sila guys sa Team Raven.
Number 7, Blue Mercado. Let's see, Southern. Southern to number 68.
Team CD, no? Guys, Team CD to guys.
Seymour. Ribbon Ball.
Hi boss, how are you?
Shout out kay Mr. Jordan.
Boyka. To Chocolate. Pass.
Basket.
Is the ball. Number 22. Basket.
Number 23.
Ito na.
Number 22, sorry, 2 points. Basket by Mark, the muscle man.
Mercado.
Pinasa kay Cocolet.
Franco. Silan.
Drive by Westbrook. Guys, violation guys.
Fire.
Westbrook violation. Double dribbling the ball. How are you boss? Acha hai, ठीक है. Tinira ng tres, goal. No good.
Pass break to number 17 to 39.
Basket by Westbrook.
Basket again.
Guys, ang score 12-6. 7 minutes and 1 seconds.
Franco. Estelan. Ito na. Si number 39.
Outside.
Time out again. Time out. Ribbon score.
Time out sila guys.
Dalawang time out per
Boss, anong ano na to? Anong quarter na?
first half pa lang.
First half pa lang.
Second half, dalawang time out. Substitution niya, in ha.
Guys, kondisyon si Westbrook, guys. Kondisyon ng Petmalo. Arrivals ball. Take shot by Sherwin. Ang Antetokounmpo ng Dubai Duty Free. Boss, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Ito na. Si Mayor. Yorme. Ang ating vlogger.
Short.
Raven.
Mark. Basket. 2 points by Mark.
2 points. Score natin, 10-12. Favor Alliance.
Very good. Short. Outside. CD ball.
Red and draw ball. Mind the ball. Hilario.
Short.
Number 23.
Pass break by Sherwin.
Pass break.
Tumira si Oliver. Wala. Another again. Basket.
All 12. All 12.
Guys,
Tayo.
all 12.
There's a foul. Foul number 16.
Still.
Ito na. Lalaman na kaya. Mayor, hindi kita makita. Ayan.
Basket by Westbrook.
Another 2 balls. Take ball natin.
Tab kami ha.
Hangover is there.
Sa sub, mag-ready lang. Substitution. Hilario, number 22. Hilario, fake.
Short.
Wala. Nakuha ni number 73. Mercado. Pass to number 23.
Basket by Sherwin. 2 points.
Mamaya pa. Magpapagsakan na tayo
Steal by Oliver.
Ayan na. Wala pa rin.
Outside. Timeout. Arrivals Raven. Guys, si Erico, long time no see, guys. Long time no see ah. Billiard kami kagabi, wala ka eh.
Tumbok ba? Tumbok?
Tumumbok kami.
Siya nala.
Next week, si Minjil nag-champion. Best of 7, sa Karama kami naglaro.
Sa Karama?
Sa night shot.
Sige, sama.
Guys, back to the ball game. Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa committee namin. How are you, my friend? Pagod na?
Pagod na. Di kaya.
Pahinga, pahinga. Tumira! Basket! Kukulit! 3 points!
seconds violation.
Tumira si Jelord. Short. Outside. Westbrook dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Mark. Outside. CD ball.
Offensive foul, number 23. Substitution. Okay, substitution muna. Sige, pasok ang sa stop. Pasok. Trap na sa Hilario. Si Bautista.
Basket.
Number 7.
By Rain. 2 points.
Ray. Steal by Bautista.
Steal by Jelord.
So, Chocolate. Hey.
Steal by Westbrook.
Number 17, Mercado using
Basket.
the board.
2 points by Mark.
Chocolate from Ray. That's good. Ito na.
Steal.
Last 2 minutes,
By
17. Pass to
Smack by
39. Basket.
Westbrook. 2
Last
points.
2 minutes. 2 minutes remaining at our time. An official score 20-18.
Guys, score.
Boyka 3 points. Official score 20-21.
Sir, 3 point yung kanina, yung kay Cocolet, 3 point. Yung kanina, 3 point. Sir, may official score tayo dito.
Ito na. Number 39 to number 17. Number 17. Tanda na mo. Pinasa.
Basket.
That's the team.
By Chris. 2 points.
One minute. Time remaining. Last 1 minute.
Last 1 minute, guys.
Ang natin ng oras sa ating break. Number 22.
Short.
Wala. Pass break. Tingnan natin ang gagawin ng number 17. Number 17. 17 pass to number 9 to make ibinigay to number 39.
Basket.
Number
By
39.
Westbrook.
Another 2 points.
24-21, favorite Raiders.
24-21. 24-21. Ito ang official score. Figure of the Raiders. Number 7.
Steal by Jericho.
Pass to number 17. 15 seconds. Ayaw na. Pinasa sa ngalan. Ganda.
Basket.
10 seconds.
2 points by Westbrook.
5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. Tayo na rin. Hindi na natin ang Bautista.
Short. Guys, first half. Score 26-21 in favor of CB Arrivals.
Number 9. But there's a foul. Foul Number 1, Bautista. Bautista, second personal. Timeout, Team Jericho.
Time out sila, guys. CD. Ang score, guys, 21-27.
27-21, favor of Raven. Ayan, official score natin, 27-21. In favor of Raven. Parehas silang Raven, kaya parehas na green sa Raven at Raven Flow.
Sila, guys.
Player, back to the game.
Boss, in-upload ko na yung game natin ng last week.
Unang free throw. Basket.
Basket, guys, by Erico.
Pangalawang free throw ni Erico. Basket again. 2 out of 2.
Condition, guys, yung friend ko. Pass by Hilario.
Number 22. There's a foul. Foul number 9. Number 9, first personal foul. First free throw is basket. Second free throw, wala. Ito
No.
na.
1 point by number 22. Foul.
The basket foul, 0.
Who's foul, rep?
Number 9 to number 16, there's a foul. Foul number 22. Second personal foul, 1 for penalty.
Two free throw, guys, by Oliver.
Mercado,
Basket.
first basket.
1 point.
Second free throw. Another,
Short.
Yung pumasok. Number 16, pass to number 13.
Basket by Jonathan.
Basket.
2 points.
32-22. Favor of Raven. Yan po, 10 na ang kalamangan ng Raven team. Ay, dumula. Ito na. Nagmamadali. Number 22. To 13.
Basket.
Using the bird. Basket.
2 points by Erico. Short.
Number 23, Ramirez, pass to number 16, back to Ramirez.
Short.
Ay, balik. Lucena. To number 22.
Outside.
Tawag.
Short. Guys, kailangan ng salong pass ni Oliver. Bumagsak. Tumira si Hilario. Short.
Short. Fast break. Magyao. Wala.
Wala.
Hilario, wala.
Short, guys.
Franco from 3 and an out.
Short.
Another block. Ganda ng depensa ni 22.
Good defense by Chris.
In my house. Number 16.
Basket. 2 points by number 16.
Official score.
Guys, official score. 22-36.
22 in favor of Raven.
Last 6 minutes, 38 seconds.
Shout out. Yorme TV.
Shout out, shout out.
Shout out.
Number 1. Chipsy number 1.
Of course.
Raven number 1. Guys, hinga kabayo, hinga. Hingal guys, may hangover pa kagabi. Tumagay ng Red Horse, ang mga tropa pits.
Player, back to the game.
Back to the ball game.
Ayan na, back to the ball game na.
Oh, Sherin, how are you? Boss, hinga. May hangover pa ba? May hangover pa. Guys, si Romel, kasopi siya guys. Kaya team Sakalam.
That's good, fast break. Number 17, right tackle.
Short. By Mark. Cocolet dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Jelord. Tumira ng spot. No good.
Number 13. Number 14.
Basket by Gusina. 2 points.
Long 2, number 14.
14, can you please tuck in your shirt?
Ayan. May warning na tayo. Alam na lang yung masusunod. Number 15.
Basket. 2 points. Number 15. Short. Guys, nagawa warm up na guys ang team Cash Office. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Good? Guys, this Cash Office guys. Team Cash Office. Nagmamilo best na guys sa mga Cash Office nila. Boss Romel.
Yorme TV.
Number 1. Boss, parang malungkot ka, boss, ah. Parang malungkot ka.
Yorme TV number 1. Hey Marlon, where are you?
Cocolet.
Tumira si Cocolet. Basket. 2 points. By Cocolet, number 26.
Number 39.
Foul. Short.
Foul number 68.
2 free throw by Westbrook. Ang Westbrook ng Dubai Duty Free. Short. May hangover pa kagabi guys. Tumagay ng Red Horse. Tumagay ng dalawang Red Horse. No good.
Number 29.
Basket. by Westbrook. The score, guys, 27-42 in favor of CB Arrivals. Short.
Holding foul to number 26.
By Kokole.
First substitution.
Boss Marte, how are you? Boss Lester, how are you, guys? Acha Etique.
Ray, number 7.
Basket.
Basket.
2 points by Hilario.
38-29.
Steal by J-Lord.
Bautista. Line ball.
Line ball.
Ito na si number 39. Number 39.
Was foul rep.
Second penalty. Penalty tayo.
Guys, to free throw by Westbrook. Basket.
Number 39.
1 point. Again, 2 points by Westbrook.
Ayan.
Hawak ni Hilario ang bola.
Isa sa manunod natin ngayon, si Coach Roman Anderson. Shout out again.
Foul. The muscle man. Ryan Mercado.
Chocolate, fake. Hindi ko magandang bantay. Bautista.
Short.
Last 2 minutes.
Guys, last 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
29-45. 2 points by Oden. Number 15. Time out. Arrivals team. Guys, ang score 29-47. Last 1 minute 47 seconds in favor of CB Arrival.
Dapat gano'n kayo magtambal din kayo. Chris, gano'n ka rin. Ibang klase ang Olympic. Puta, ang daming live view.
Fantastic, bombastic. Mga committee natin.
Yeah, back to the game.
Back to the ball game. Guys, last 1 minute 47 seconds.
1 minute and 47 seconds. Oh, yeah. 47 to our second half.
Short.
Yan po, tagalarang tanong.
Short. Si Erico ng number... Umispot si Erico. Basket. Basket.
2 points.
2 points. Takbong mayaman dyan, pre. Takbong mayaman. Yan. Idol kayo, pre. Idol kayo, number 9. Short. Wala. Last Masagedli. Tumira si Cocolet. Short.
Number 22.
Pinasa kay Chris. Nilea, pasok. 2 points by Chris. Pang-romansa pa. Pang-romansa pa yan, guys. Number 22, Chris De Leon. Basket. 2 points by Hilario.
30 seconds. Oh, last 30 seconds.
Last 25 seconds. Basket by Jonathan.
Basket na naman.
Score, guys. 53-31.
20 seconds.
Last 20 seconds. Ingat mga players. Last 20
Umira si
seconds.
Boyka. Short. May hangover pa ng Raiders, guys. Ang Boyka na number 16.
Number 9.
Basket.
2 points.
2 points by Erico.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Big CB.
Ravens.
Team Ravens CB. Score
Ayan na.
31-55.
Congrats, players.
Sino best player, Rep? Sino best player?
Next players, next team. Make sure